Each JBQ system is packaged in a very durable carrying case, as we show here. The JBQ comes with 6, 8, or 10 players. In this unboxing, we're going to show a total of 8 players. The system comes with a slat pad for each of the players. These slat pads are very, very durable, and they come with a 5-foot cord, and they're made of all metal construction. These would be placed in front of each of the players. We have the center control box that lights up to show which of the players is first to ring in. And when 5 feet isn't long enough for the cords to go from the switch to the control box, we include a 15-foot extender cord for each of the players. And then to power the whole system, we include a power pack.